Hello, welcome to World on a String Designs. I'm Alicia. Today we have the absolute treat of opening the August 2025 Yarn Bliss box subscription box. I do get these monthly. They're always a treat. I am an affiliate, so if you like what you see, there is a code below that will get me a commission if you decide to get a box, but the best part is you also will get $5 off your first box by going through that link. Ooh, very lovely. All right, so already we could see we have a mushroom themed tissue paper. She does do this packaging. It's always so nice to open the box. The way it's presented looks so lovely every time. So there's typically an organza bag that is slid into this pocket, and then your yarn is underneath. So let's have a look. I'm guessing something mushroom themed. There, look at that. And the inspiration card on the back, it tells you what the inspiration is, which for this month was marvelous mushrooms. There's a QR code with pattern ideas, and it tells you what's included in the box. And then there also, under my thumb, there is a coupon code for members. So if you go to the Speckled Finch website, there is often a section that has like previous yarns and goodies from the boxes that were extras, and you can purchase those, and the coupon code gives you, for being a subscriber, you get a 20% discount on any of those things that you would like to purchase from the website. So these are magnetic page markers with mushroom theme. And oops, you can use these as bookmarks, paper clips, fridge magnets. And don't forget the arrow marks your spot. So these are pretty cool. I am going to definitely put these to good use. And, you know, I just love things that are adorable. So like a paper clip is very useful, but why shouldn't it also be fun? Something like this is just so fun. All right, let's see what else we got here. We have some stitch markers, and these are from Sunrise Grove Knittery. Whoops. Shroom Hamlet stitch markers. So these are wooden, and you can kind of see there, and they do have the lever back closure, so you can open them up like that, and then you can slide them on to your project, or you can just slide them right over your knitting needle like a regular stitch marker. So these can be used as stitch markers and as progress keepers, and they can easily be used for knitting or crochet. And I would say you might be a little limited on the size to, I'm guessing, maybe a size 7, US 7, US 8 knitting needle. You might even get bigger than that. I haven't tried it, so I'm not sure. But I will say, like, you're not getting these on a size 11. But again, this subscription box, I get the sock yarn, so I'm not knitting that on 11s anyway. But very adorable. And you can always use these as stitch markers. Even if they don't fit over your needle, you can just put them on the stitch below to mark your spot. Okay. Oh, wait, there's still, we have a sticker in here also. Very gorgeous mushroom sticker. Oh my goodness. All right, so we have the solid color is called Shiitake. That is a gorgeous brown neutral. And then we have Marvelous Mushrooms. And again, I get the Hardy sock. There is also a DK version that's available. Again, like, I don't really know how well the colors show up until I get to editing. So hopefully you can see how gorgeous these colors are. That just looks very rich to me. So again, I am an affiliate for the Speckled Finch Studios. So if you like what you see here and you're inclined to want to subscribe to a box yourself, please don't forget that the code down below will get you $5 off your first box when you subscribe. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next one.